As per our ongoing CHZ cost forecast, the worth of CHZ will expanded by 235.38%, coming to 21 cents by end of 2025. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the apprehension and ravenousness list is perusing 41.56, and that implies most certainly intense trepidation. Our CHZ conjecture, it's dangerous to sell CHZ right now incredibly. On September 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among CHZ cost forecasts. See the by and large definite CHZ cost expectation underneath. You will generally know how in every practical sense much CHZ is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the absolute most recent 30 days, CHZ has diminished by 8.50% in an unpretentious manner. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, in a genuinely large way. Toward the finish of September, the worth of CHZ expanded by 114.73% and came to approach around 13 cents. As of now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and avarice list shows 41.56, kind of intense feelings of trepidation. As indicated by our gauge, this essentially isn't the perfect opportunity to sell CHZ. At present, CHZ sort of is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving normal, which is genuinely critical. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a CHZ selling sort of sign in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of CHZ is at present running beneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.0932 toward the finish of December, which basically is very critical. By December 2023-2024, CHZ's transient 50-day SMA for the most part shows a $0.0653. The really relative strength file, RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI generally is presently at or civilu in an unobtrusive manner. This demonstrates that the CHZ market is in an impartial position. CHZ value expectation 2023, in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, CHZ came to 15 cents. When it dipped under $0.0997, interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market trades, CHZ is en route to passing the 13 cents mark before the current year is over. Before 13 cents, it might break its characteristic of 89 cents and generally reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, CHZ will break its past all-time high of 89 cents and hold somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 13 cents soon. At this point, on 21 September 2023, CHZ most certainly is exchanging at $0.0582, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 25.76 M, and it makes number 72 money in the entire crypto world. CHZ value expectation 2024. There is plausible that CHZ can get through the 15 cents obstruction and essentially hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least CHZ cost will really be between 12 cents to 15 cents, and the most probable CHZ cost will be exceptionally consistent at around 15 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite CHZ's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its ecologically antagonistic energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that CHZ will sort of reach 15 cents toward the finish of 2024 or really mid-2024. In spite of prevalent thinking, CHZ value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that CHZ will begin the year at 17 cents and exchange around 21 cents, as indicated by their forecasts. This would be very high contrasted with genuinely last year, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. CHZ value expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that CHZ's 2026 value expectation will kind of twofold in cost, yet it is likewise really conceivable that it may not generally arrive at its normal, especially most extreme 27 cents level. CHZ is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of 26 cents or 27 cents in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of CHZ. CHZ Value Forecast 2027. CHZ Value Expectation, or CHZ, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it truly can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, CHZ's cost is supposed to generally outperform 27 cents in 2027. It for the most part has been anticipated that CHZ will arrive at the greatest cost of 27 cents, and the base cost really is supposed to basically be around 22 cents in the following a long time from 2027. CHZ Value Forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that CHZ Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, CHZ, is supposed to cross a value level of 30 cents in 2028. In the interim, CHZ fundamentally is supposed to really arrive at any rate cost of 28 cents this year. The genuinely most extreme cost might reach 31 cents in a significant manner. CHZ Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the CHZ Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation in every practical sense anticipate that the expense of CHZ will reach 42 cents. And the cost of CHZ ought to reach 42 cents before the year is over, which sort of is very huge. What's more, CHZ can especially reach up to 39 cents in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for CHZ's development, which is very huge. CHZ Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, CHZ's value forecast are supposed to cross the 60 cents normal cost level, as per CHZ's figure and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, CHZ's base cost is supposed to be 57 cents. Furthermore, CHZ can arrive at a really greatest value level of 61 cents. Toward the finish of 2030, CHZ will have a for the most part normal cost of 61 cents. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. CHZ's Value Expectation 2031. CHZ's cost is assessed to reach 80 cents by 2031, at least in an unobtrusive way, with a typical exchanging cost of 82 cents all through 2031. CHZ's worth could sort of come to 84 cents at its in every way that really matters, most elevated. The experts anticipate that the fundamentally greatest cost should sort of exchange around 82 cents, or so they thought. CHZ's Value Forecast 2032. Of every 2032, CHZ will basically attempt to arrive at the scarcely the most reduced degree of $1.09, which is very critical. It might attempt to get the greatest and essentially next by and large top level of $1.13, with the